guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I am unboxing and reviewing my Beauteque beauty box and my Mask Maven subscription services. If you're new to my channel and you don't know what Beauteque is, it is a Korean subscription service. You can get the beauty box with 6 full-size beauty products. Every month I think it's $24. Or you can get the Mask Maven, which is 9 masks a month for like $15. And you can save if you use the code Rachel25. You can get 25% off your first month. It is not affiliated, it is just a discount code for you guys. I think also a tracking code to let them know you came from me. I do want to let you know right off the bat that this was sent to me for review by Beauteque. I did not pay for this, but regardless, I will give my honest opinions. Dang it, I forgot to silence it. I will give my honest opinions on all the products I have tested. Before we jump into things, I do want to mention that this look will be coming up soon, and also this sweatshirt, if you like it, it is part of my merch line, which is always linked down below, and there is now free shipping on all my sweatshirts and t-shirts, so that's really exciting, and this is so nice and comfy. Let's start with the most exciting thing, the beauty box unboxing. These are all 6 products in the Beauteque beauty box for the month of August. The theme is plant-based, and they say this month we will be featuring our favorite K-beauty greens. Aloe, cactus, green tea, and tea tree are key ingredients that have anti-inflammatory, soothing, and clearing benefits for your skin. With our hashtag plant-based theme picks, enjoy smooth and hydrated skin all month long. They always include a little card with information on all of the products, and also like hashtags and stuff on there, and like a thing to win a $20 gift card. So that's something I really appreciate. I've seen subscription boxes where they don't really include anything, so I love that. The first item is the Yada Cactus Toner. It retails for $21, and it is a 3-in-1 toner that cleanses, exfoliates, and moisturizes. And it is made with 13 essential green grade ingredients, 87% being made of cactus extract instead of water. This is 7.1 ounces, so this is a very sizable bottle, and I really like this. This did not irritate my skin. It was very hydrating. I felt it cleansed my face if there was any leftover makeup or anything, and I'm definitely gonna incorporate this into my routine. Even at $21, I think this is worth it. The next item is the Maison Tea Tree Talk Blemish Spot Treatment, which retails for $18. It is a treatment gel formulated with 15% tea tree extract, which creates a thin layer on top of blemishes to protect the skin from harmful environmental stressors and create a healing environment for the skin. It is anti-inflammatory and antibacterial and fights against the bacteria that causes acne. This is a really cool product. It has a little dropper, and you just put a little drop on your blemish, and that's basically it. And it's almost like those pimple patches, but in a liquid form, that I feel is gonna go a lot further and last a lot longer. And I felt when I used it on my breakouts, it did make a difference in my breakouts healing a little faster. So even for $18, with like, I feel this is gonna last me a long time, I would probably purchase this again. The next item is the Esfolio Green Tea Peeling Gel. It retails for $8 and features green tea extract, which boosts elasticity as it tones and conditions the skin, and it helps remove dead skin cells and pore clogging dirt for soft, silky, clearer skin. This one is 5 fluid ounces for $8, which is a really good deal. And even though it's kind of strange, like, I'll just squeeze some out, it's this like gritty gel, I really feel like it does what it says, and it's the finest grit to it. Like, it's not like the like St. Ives that everyone freaks out about. Like, it's a really fine physical exfoliant in there, and it definitely really does the job. The next item is the Skin Pastel Aloe Vera Soothing Cleansing Foam. It retails for $6.99 and efficiently removes dirt from pores. It is known for soothing and moisturizing and makes skin soft and smooth. This product, with aloe being the main ingredient, is something I did not try. I am sensitive to aloe, and I will be saving this for a future giveaway. I've decided for the Beauteque videos, I'm not going to do a giveaway every time like I'm doing for the face story. I'm going to save the products so that I can have a really cool Rage Mist for you guys, because I want to do Rage Mist again this year, and I want to be able to have lots of stuff to give away to you guys. So this is going in the giveaway, but it is 5.29 ounces for $6.99 for a cleanser. That is not bad. Next is the Esfolio Tea Tree Peeling Foot Mask. It retails for $4.99, and it has tea tree and herbal extracts which will soothe rough skin, leaving you with smooth and healthy feet. I have been getting really wet at work lately, especially in my feet, and that can dry you out a lot, and this mask really made a difference in the moisture of my feet. My skin were feeling my feet were feeling really tight and dry, and this just helped them feel a lot more elastic and moisturized, and I would definitely get it again for $4.99. The last item is the Cactus Non-Tangle Hairbrush. It retails for $6, and it is purse-sized and great for travel, and it also is a non-tangle hairbrush. This really reminds me of like wet brushes, the way it detangles. It's like a mini wet brush, and it's super freaking cute, and it is really purse size and travel size. I definitely think it's worth the $6 price tag. So overall, was the beauty box for August worth it? I think so. There was only one product I couldn't test, and that is going to go to a giveaway, and every other product I absolutely loved. So August was a really good month. Let's get into the Mask Maven. So these are all the masks for the month of August. Again, it is a plant-based month. It is hashtag plant-based theme with aloe, cactus, green tea, and tea tree. Again, it comes with an informational card. The mask one does not have the prices on it, but it does have descriptions on all the masks. And I am going to skip reviewing about half the masks. I'm going to skip reviewing the Nature Republic Aloe Real Nature Mask Sheet, the Botanic Farm Aloe Mask, the May Island Aloe Mask, and the My Beauty Diary Aloe Mask. There were 4 aloe masks in this month, so I'm saving these for that future giveaway Rage Mist in December, and we're only going to review 5 masks today. The first mask is the Village 11 Tea Tree Mask. It is infused with tea tree leaf and Centella asiatica, which provides soothing effects to sensitive skin. It is excellent for acne prone skin and is also anti-inflammatory to help bring you smooth, clear skin. I thought this one really helped clear up my skin. It was soothing, it was calming. I would definitely do this one again. The next mask is the My Beauty Diary Mexico Cactus Mask. It helps reduce skin's redness and evens out skin tone. It contains mushroom extract, which has anti-inflammatory properties that help prevent acne and premature wrinkles. I was having some breakouts that were, I couldn't tell if they were breakouts or hives. Do you ever have reactions where it gets to that point and you're like, is this a hive or a breakout? I don't know, because it's real painful and itchy. Is that a hive? Or is that a breakout? I was having that issue, and I felt it really soothed that and calmed that, and it did even out my tone, so I would do that again. Next, we have the Yara Daily Green Cactus Mask. It is made out of a soft, eco-friendly bamboo sheet. and it contains highly concentrated cactus extract, which delivers significant moisture to dry and dehydrated skin, but is also suitable for sensitive skin. Along with the possible hives that I was also having texture. So I felt this smoothed out some of the texture that I was having, and it really moisturized my skin. So oh, this is the wrong one. I really like this one. Next is the Yada Daily Green Kika Mask. It has Kika extract, which regenerates the skin and is full of amino acids, beta-carotene, fatty acids, phytochemicals, including vitamins C, A, B1, and B2, and has a curing effect which will repair and soothe dry, damaged skin. I felt this one was really hydrating, really soothing, and it was healing on the areas of my face that were reacting. So I definitely recommend it. Last but not least, we have the Botanic Farm Natural Energy Tea Tree Mask. It contains tea tree extract, which specifically calms and restores your skin, providing deep nourishment and hydration. I was having a day, you know when your skin's having a day and it just hates anything you put on it? And I was red and irritated after I did this mask, and I think it was because I was having just a bad skin day where it didn't like anything. But despite the fact that I was really red and angry after this mask, which again I don't think is the mask's fault, I think it was one of those days, it did really hydrate my skin. So I would say this is a recommend, but just if you have super sensitive skin, maybe avoid it. But I don't think it's the mask's fault. I think I was just having a bad skin day, if you know what I mean. Overall, was August worth it? I could try 5 out of the 9 masks, and I would recommend them all. So I would say that's over 50%, so that seems worth it to me, especially for $15. Like 5 masks for $15, that's pretty good. I'm really excited to have like a skincare day for Rachmas and save up a bunch of skincare stuff for you guys, so look forward to that in December. Subscribe if you have not already. And if you're interested in signing up for either of these services, again, Rachel25 will get you 25% off your first month. What did you guys think of the August Mask Maven and Beauty Box? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!